The year was 2010 and the singer Romaine Virgo scored a big hit with the song Love Doctor. Let's get the backstory behind that song in our Fiwi Culture segment.
I'm your love doctor, call me anytime you need me, baby.
Well, Love Doctor, I wrote Love Doctor when I was 17 years old. And I never know nothing about love, to be honest with you, if I'm gonna be honest. I was just writing a song, trying to write a song. That was it. So I got the rhythm from Donovan Jermaine from Penthouse. At that time I was traveling between town and country to come to studio. You know, my studio days would be every Thursday evening, I think. I'd come in and just come voice.
You're gonna need some medication.
I wrote that song at home in the country, just trying to write a song. You know, the melodies came. I'm your love doctor. I feel like 50 Cent did a song where, was it Candy Shop? And there was a line in it that he said, I got the magic stick, I'm your love doctor. And so that line was in my head at the time, to be honest with you. And it turned out to be one of the songs though where me still a sing from 17. No, me I'm at 34, I'm still a sing it.
I know you like it like this, hey, when I kiss you on the lips, I'm your love doctor.
It was a soulful kind of rhythm, you know, and I was trying to write a soulful kind of song, so I know that it would make sense, and it was just a hope for Jermaine to like it. When I finished writing the song, I was thinking though that it sounded very, like, too simple. You know, I'm your love doctor, call me anytime you need me, baby. I know you like it like this, when I kiss you on the lips. And it just felt like, it felt very basic to me, but Jermaine loved it.
Cause I'm your love doctor, call me anytime you need me, baby.
Were you in love at the time?
No, me don't know nothing about love. Usually I have me like a high school girlfriend, but you know, like them time me not even have sex yet. Me I just 17. It turned out to be one of the biggest songs now.
Were you surprised that the song took off and became popular?
Yes, and the first place that I learned that this song was doing well, because as I said, my songs, them just feel like them never work in Jamaica. But so the first place that I know that song was doing well was in the UK. I used to get hear that, yo, David Radigan played. I said, what? David Radigan play Love Doctor?
Forever I will stay with you, and me I go shout it out in the square.
We didn't even shoot a music video for it.
Oh, you didn't?
I don't have a music video for that song, and it became one of the nicest, most beautiful love song in my catalog. I remember going to the UK and performing that song, Love Doctor. Like, it was surprising to see that when I started singing that song was when the crowd was like, you know?
So you want a trip to visit anywhere in the world. Where would you go and why? The public gave us their responses in our Why Pree Vox Pop segment.
Why Pree?
Paris, to see the Eiffel Tower. Yeah.
Aruba. I heard it's yes, very nice. And I think Dubai, even though I say it's expensive, but sure, regular day.
Japan, because I'm interested in technology, and that's where the lead in technology is in my eyes.
US for the upcoming World Cup, just to see Lionel Messi and co, you know? Yeah. I'm going to experience Messi down there because I don't know ever see go to play ball, you know? Believe the man.
Dubai. I don't know, I just like Dubai lifestyle, the desert and all of that.
Atlanta, Georgia. Why? Women are so black and beautiful. Fall in love by the movie I watch the Atlanta, Georgia movie series. Fall in love with them, you know? They look so good.
When I go to Australia, I want to see the Jesus lizard will run on the water.
So if you did win the trip, where would you go? Let us know on all our social media platforms at Pree the Show on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and of course the comment section on YouTube. And tune in next week for more Why Pree.
Why Pree?
St. Thomas Massive, it was quite a day, but we're now at the end of this week's episode of Pree the Show, and we're gonna make our way back to Kingston. You don't know I'm your boy Naldo Addy, and I'll see y'all next week. We have a truck on the road. We have a truck on the road. Dub, yo. Alright, ready. So you want a trip? Come again.